Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. So this is a classic case of nothing written on these tapes. There's the odd little bit of information, but the vast majority of them, are they blank? Is there anything on them? Now, this is what every transfer company should be doing, but they're not. So you get what you pay for. I say again and again and again. Okay, so here is, they had no information, just whatever. So I put the date stamps on everything, as you should do. If the date stamp is there with like mini DV specifically here, then you've got the dates right there. And why come, and then you can see what you have. So what I do is I do a little, basic data mine in here, and I get the date range. And if there's clearly Christmas 2006 on it, Christmas Day 2002, so you very quickly get to see exactly what you have. And every company should be, if you are hiring a company to do this for you, basics right there. But they don't see it. All these shitbox companies, the barcode stickers that you put the stickers on, and it's like a 12-digit number, that becomes your file number. So for you to figure out what the hell you have, you've got to go back to these barcodes and match up this 16-digit number. And then they don't put date stamps because they're doing it to DVD first and then they're ripping it. I mean, it is just shit on top of shit, on layers of different shit. That's if they're even digitizing your stuff. Like this job here, which I get in again and again and again from everybody just going, not checking reviews, not checking YouTube, and they get their stuff back 6 months later with no correspondence, and it's just dumped in a box like that. All the pretty marketing, all of the fancy emails, everything looks beautiful. Now, this is what you get back. It's like getting a burger, and then you see it on the menu, and then you get it back, and it's just some sloppy microwave pile of crap. That's exactly what you get back here. None of these tapes were transferred due to issues with the videotapes. Tapes play absolutely fine. I've got loads of videos on that. But see that barcode there? That number? That's what you get back. All of it. That's if they transfer anything. And they're not even transferring everything, and they're keeping your money. I get emails every day. Oh, you're expensive. Yes, because I actually do the work required. Yes, you buy something for the correct price. Guess what? You get quality back. The reviews speak for themselves. You think you're going to get this done for $200? Forget about it. It's going to cost you $1,200 or $900 or whatever you paid for the camera back in the day. But every company, you should be expecting this when you're paying good money to do this. Okay, not this cheap jack crap and then crying about it later. So I have to listen to it all the time. Guess what I did? I went to Legacy Box and I sent it off, and whoa, 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 whoa. Shh, I've heard it all before. You're an adult. You've got a phone. You could have checked the reviews, see the one-star reviews, see my YouTube videos, other people's YouTube videos, telling everybody no. But instead, you were like, it's cheap. This won't happen to me. And guess what? It did. And those are the people that are lucky to get back their tapes. Sometimes they get nothing back at all. Gone forever. So, anyway, this job came in this morning. It's going out today. 6 months these companies take. 6 months. No, it's not right. Yes. Read the reviews. Read the comments on the Facebook ads. I see people in the Facebook ads commenting going, I'm going to send you 108 tapes. No one's replied to my emails or answers the phone, but I've bought the box. I'm really looking forward to it. And then below and above that are people going, do not send your stuff. Don't send it. 6 months later, gone. Anyway, so you get what you pay for. If you have got a lot of stuff, guess what? It's going to cost money. You're not going to have to remortgage your house, but it's all relative. If you've had multiple cameras, vacations, birthdays, Christmases, you've recorded a lot of stuff, guess what? It's going to cost you money. That's what is involved, is old equipment, keen eye, expertise, professionalism in business, ethics, everything. So if you're looking in your local area and you've got an amazing person, they've got amazing reviews, and they check all these boxes and they're checking the tapes, they're monitoring everything, you give them your stuff, but you pay the going rate for quality work, not this cheap jack crap that you're paying for stickers on tapes. Spend $400, you've just got 3 cents worth of stickers, 40 stickers on tapes, like this crap here. It's just disgusting. But no refunds because your credit card company only covers you for 90 days. They've had your stuff for 6 months. They do not give refunds. Might be some exceptions, I don't know. But anyway, so back on track with my ranting that I go on and on about. But if you've got all this stuff with nothing labeled and no charge for blank tapes, this one here, red sticker, that's blank. So 1 through 24, these can all be edited, rearranged, renamed. Precious content means something to somebody, and it's done professionally above the standard that they're not even expecting any of this stuff here. But I do that. That's all part of the package. Anyway, if you'd like to get a quote through me, gotmemories.com. If you are searching around for cheap pricing, good luck. You're going to get burnt. You might as well throw your stuff away or save up and then get it done correctly by a pro. Check Google reviews and check YouTube. Those two things with this type of service are essential because this stuff is old. It's a pain in the ass. Many of these videotapes were shown as blank as I got in another video. They weren't even picking up pictures. And I'm like, oh, they're all blank. No. I check them in other players and they're playing absolutely fine. So nobody does that. I don't know why. Because you're paying someone more money to spend more time with your stuff. You're not paying a lot of money, they're not spending any time on it. They're slapping stickers on things, and you're done. Anyway, all the best to you, gotmemories.com. If you would like to get a quote, if you are in Phoenix, I am by appointment. If you're searching around for cheap pricing and all that deals, no, don't even, no, okay? Just send your stuff off there and find out. I don't know. Anyway, all the best. Cheers.